Welcome to Queen Elizabeth Park! Yeah! So welcome to Queen Elizabeth Park! Nagtsatsaw right behind me is Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you Queen Elizabeth Park here in Vancouver, British Columbia. So let's go! I'm here actually in this area where there's a lot of pros. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of pros, different colors, different type of rose. So there's a lot of pros in here. So as you can see, so beautiful, so nice. I'm enjoying here right now. So today is my day off, so we decided to come here in Queen Elizabeth Park with my roommate, with my friend Ate Yoli. So Ate Yoli, say hi.
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 Come visit.
Come visit here in Queen Elizabeth Park. It's really nice in here. I'm not sure. I think that's not cherry. Oh, it's cherry. Oh, that's cherry. Yeah, it's cherry. But it's a wild cherry. I'm not gonna eat it. So let's go in the middle. Let's go in the center of this Queen Elizabeth Park. It's actually really nice here. There is a tennis court. Yeah. It's kinda wet today. But it's still nice. So
Another nice one?
yeah, let's keep walking here. So guys, right behind me it's actually a bloater behind me it's actually a bloater So guys, right behind me it's actually a Bloedel Conservatory. It's actually a round building. So what's inside this building, it's actually a different kinds of plants. But unfortunately we can't go inside because it's closed. So we have to go somewhere else and explore more the Queen Elizabeth Park. So let's go, let's explore, let's go. It's so beautiful here, it's so nice. Ganda, ganda dito. So guys, we're crossing the London Bridge. Sarap charap, charap charap, charap magchacha. Nagchacha uli no? Do you like the place? It's so nice, right? So welcome to Queen Elizabeth Park. Big. Wag kang tatalon dyan ha. Yeah, it's so nice. Welcome to Queen Elizabeth Park.
Yeah.
So nice in here.
Yeah.
Dami kayong kumakain yan. Nice. Sige, video mo ako. Video mo.
Nakaset ba ito? Yan ka sa kabila dito. Sa gitna dito.
Family siya eh.
So it's actually raining today. So it's not a pleasant day because the weather is not really good. But we still enjoy walking here, exploring Queen Elizabeth Park. So yeah. Lakad-lakad lang. Exercise na rin, di ba te?
Ha?
Exercise.
Oo.
Yeah, it's a good exercise. Hinihingal na ako. So guys, that's all for today's vlog. So if you want to actually go to Vancouver, this Queen Elizabeth Park is one of the best place to visit here in the middle of Vancouver. So yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. And if you do like my video, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. And again, thank you and see you again on my next vlog. Bye bye. Sorry for my umbrella. Bye bye.